Hello everyone, welcome to Raj Malhotra IAS Institute, and this is the third video in the series of the video where we are discussing species vulnerability, species in news in last 1 year. Today's species number one that we are going to discuss is the Chinese paddlefish. It was in news because this species has been declared extinct as per the IUCN Red Data Book criteria by the Chinese environmentalist. The scientific name of this species is Zephyrus gladius. All right. Now, this species, that is the Chinese paddlefish, is an iconic species. It is 7 meter long and it has been dwelling in the waters of the river Yangtze Kiang in China for past some 200 million years before present. All right. So that means that this fish species was present in the waters of the river Yangtze Kiang even at the time when there were dinosaurs on Earth. The species strength became dwindling or started dwindling somewhere around 1970s when the Chinese government started on a spree of building dams on over the river Yangtze Kiang. All right. Now, it is very important to remember that by 1993, the species strength decreased to the level that this Chinese paddlefish it was declared to be functionally extinct. A species becomes functionally extinct when it is not extinct, it exists, but the number of the individuals of the species is way too less for any kind of reproduction to take place, and therefore the species become extinct. All right. Now the second species that we are going to discuss is Senna spectabilis. Senna spectabilis is an invasive plant species, and UPSC has a penchant for asking questions from the invasive plant species, and many times we have seen that UPSC has asked this question. It was in news because Kerala government is planning to arrest the growth of this particular plant species known as Senna spectabilis because this is a threat to the floral diversity in the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. This plant can grow into an adult tree in approximately of the height of 15 to 20 meter in a very short time span, and therefore it is a threat to the floral diversity of the region. Along with this, it is producing huge amount of flowers, and it is a gregarious and lush flowering plant, and therefore it distributes thousands of seeds in a very short span of time, and therefore it arrests the growth of the indigenous and the native plant species in a particular region. All right, let's go ahead. Now, this huge or the tremendous growth of this plant, it affects the local herbivore population because the local herbivore population cannot eat the leaves of this plant because the leaves of this plant is non-palatable or eatable for the herbivores, and therefore the local herbivore population suffers greatly. Now this plant has allelochemicals, and these allelochemicals are responsible for preventing germination and growth of other native plants. All right. Now this is even a bigger threat because this plant is now not just limited to a particular region but is now starting to spread to the nearby Bandipur National Park in Karnataka and Nagarhole Tiger Reserve and Mudumalai Tiger Reserve in Tamil Nadu. Alright, so this was the current affair and Senna spectabilis. The third species of the video that we are going to discuss is a species called Tamil yeoman butterfly. It was in news because the Tamil Nadu has recently declared this butterfly as the state butterfly of Tamil Nadu. Alright, if you go and discuss the state butterflies, only 5 states in the country has declared a butterfly to be a state butterfly, and the first state is the 4 states apart from Tamil Nadu is the first state is Maharashtra that has declared a butterfly species named Blue Mormon as its state butterfly. Question about Blue Mormon has already been asked by UPSC. Second state is Uttarakhand that has declared the butterfly common peacock as its state butterfly. Karnataka has declared southern bird wings as its state butterfly, and the fourth state is Kerala that has declared the Malabar banded peacock as the state butterfly of the state of Kerala. The fifth state is Tamil Nadu. Alright, now Tamil yeoman is one of the 32 butterfly species that are found in the Western Ghats. Alright, going ahead, the Tamil yeoman, it moves in the swarms of large number of it moves in swarms of large numbers, and Tamil yeoman is also known by the other name Tamil Maravan or Tamil warrior. Alright. Now, There was a competition between Tamil yeoman and other butterfly species to be declared as the state butterfly of Tamil Nadu. So Tamil yeoman had its competition with Tamil lacewing. Ultimately, Tamil yeoman won because Tamil lacewing lost because it is rare and difficult to sight. Alright, so these were the three important species that I wanted to discuss in this video, which were in news for past 1 year. So keep tuned to this platform for further such interesting environment, current and static videos. Alright, and very important videos for UPSC Prelims 2020. Signing off, this is Akash Sherawat. Have a great day ahead. Take care. Bye. Stay safe and stay blessed.